Welcome to another channel. Welcome to another, I want to say, about to be a beautiful day in Southern California. Yeah, it was a little gloomy in the morning, but I think the sun's coming out, so that's, I guess, somewhat good news in terms of the weather, right? So, in today's video, something new just happened. Boom! So this is the Racebox Mini S. I just got this. This is a lap timer. Racebox has been making lap timers for quite a bit, I believe, for cars, and then they jumped into the motorcycle scene. They came out with version 1. Honestly, frankly, I already did a review, did a video. So I was very disappointed because the first generation actually needed your phone to be connected at all times if you wanted proper data collection. However, Racebox now came up with a second version, so second generation. This is the Racebox Mini S. So the first one was just called Racebox Mini. Now this one is called the S. This is how it comes. Literally, it just comes with a plastic wrapper. Other than that, it's in this bag, and when you open it, if I could open it, that is. If you open it, you'll have your unit right here. Comes with the charging cable, USB-C, couple Velcro, or I want to say one single set of Velcro pad, which I have already installed, and then one sticky mount that you can use to mount on your dashboards, like your cars and whatnot, or for your car and whatnot. So yeah, in terms of the actual design, it looks pretty much the same as the first one. Still no buttons, no any toggling things around it. One little light, I guess, that you can see here, and then USB-C. So that's it. The way that it works is you have to actually use your phone to activate it, meaning it needs to be on like a record mode. And from there, it will actually start without your phone. And it even tells you within the app. So I'm going to show you with my phone. So this is how you use it pretty much. You have the app. You want to, sign in if you have your account or whatever it is. And already it's asking me, do I want to connect to the last Racebox? And the last one was the Mini S. I have already set up the profile there. So I'm going to actually hit yes. So once I hit yes, you'll see that the light goes blue, and now the app's telling me that the motion sensors are not calibrated. So let's do that. What am I supposed to do? Actually, I actually don't know what's happening. So I'm going to calibrate. To calibrate the orientation of the device mounted to your vehicle, keep it stationary for okay, so I'm keeping it steady. So Z is completed, is recommended to X. Oh, so I need to be writing it to get the calibration done because it needs to do the XYZ axis. All right, I'm just going to skip it for now. So skip the calibration, go back, and as you can see, there are different modes. The drag session, new track session, and then there's also the standalone recording. And from what I understand, the way that it works is, I believe you tap this, standalone, and you actually hit start recording. And once you hit start recording, it'll say on the phone or on the app, your device is recording data. You can safely disconnect. It will keep running as long as it has battery and memory until you connect again and stop it. So I have to manually now stop it if I want to stop using the app, I believe. But yeah, so I'm going to stop it now. And you can actually download your data, and you could also erase the memory, because now that it's a memory-based unit, it's the device itself that's holding memory. So I'm guessing there's probably some memory card inside, and it says that the bandwidth or the capacity for recording is 2 hours and 11 minutes, which is quite some time, because if you think about it, it's saying essentially you're recording for 2 hours and 11 minutes of writing. And I guess it makes sense. And also it makes sense because you can delete the recorded data as well, so you could free up space. But I wonder how much. So it says record at 10 hertz. So yeah, oh, okay, interesting. So I wonder if you can actually delete specific data, so then you can keep certain sessions or certain laps versus having to delete the entire thing. And then another thing that I just noticed is they have an option that says record at 10 hertz to save space. So from what I know, the GPS hertz that the Racebox Mini collects data with, or I guess the GPS hertz is something like 25, and it goes down to 10. Just for reference, from what I've gathered, in terms of GPS signal, I think phones are like somewhere at like 2 or 3, or even maybe 5, I don't know, but something low. GoPro is actually higher than your typical smartphone. And then there's your actual like GPS based like navigation systems, which are typically higher, like in the 20s. But yeah, you can actually shrink it down to 10 hertz. Pretty sure it's going to give you less granular data. However, it is going to give you somewhat of an accurate lap time. But yeah, I just wanted to show this new product. Again, I'm going to do a full-on review after I actually ride with it. I first need to figure out a mounting point, so I just brought it with me for today. I'm going to play around, see where I can mount it. But yeah, this is it, guys. New lap timer, and be on the lookout for the review of this. All right, peace.